This episode of More Than a House, the shack we just renovated, floods. Out the floodwaters at FLOODS flat. We haven't been here in a few weeks. Yeah, it's just dropped from the peak, so we're hoping it's starting to go down. And
we haven't been here since before Christmas, and at that stage I hadn't even reached the house, but we know now, given the height, that it's well and truly inside the house, but we don't know how far in the house. So this is the first time we're entering. We're just coming down the hill now.
Show you
take a look at the amount of water that has hit Walker Flat.
And we can see water already.
We don't even know if we're going to be able to drive it. We most likely have to walk.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, we've got a fair road ahead of us.
A lot of water.
Wow. So we're currently across the road. The gate was open and there's a lot of tyre tracks, so we figured we might sneak through this paddock here. Because that's the main road just there. You know, if it was only like a foot of water, we brought the old farm hack to anticipation drive through, but it looks too deep. It's probably a couple of feet high, so we can't even drive through.
This is crazy. Ready to go for a swim.
Alright, so it looks like pretty much the only way is to walk from here. We're at the neighbours and it's still a fair walk. We probably could have gone through the paddock, but Andrea's just opted to walk. She's going full in. We can already see fish bobbing around, so I'm not sure what to expect here. This will be fun.
Hopefully it's not too cold. Oh, it's nice, beautiful.
Hello, puppy.
Hey. We definitely should have brought a boat or a kayak or a surfboard.
Alright, so we are now on Mallee Road where the shack is. It's about knee high, as you can see. Interesting.
Pretty cool. This is a once in a life experience.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
So we're about 2/3 the way through the water. As you may be able to see a little bit further up, the road actually does come up a little bit higher and it does dry out. So we're in about the thick of it at the moment. Yeah, it's a really kind of eerie feeling.
Isn't
like
it?
walking down your main street and you're up to your nads in water.
Yeah, see that bit of dry land? That's what we're aiming for.
Once we hit that dry land, we've got about a few more minutes of walking and we're going to be at the little shack. And there's so many ducks around. There's a few dead pelicans, which sucks. But
Yeah, I wonder when.
So many ducks and ducklings.
We are nearly there. You can see the line in the road.
That's funny. In the shack.
Yeah. Oh, that boat.
That little boat was definitely not intended to be used recently.
No.
It made its way here.
We can just float on that back. Just here we've got an old carriage or something like that. It's really cool. I really like this thing, and now it's full of water, but it still looks cool and it's still holding up.
Even though it's fallen down years ago. Unfortunately, based on the shacks that we're looking at here, this is why people have advised us don't bother sandbagging. It doesn't work. Flash flood, yes, but a flood like this just simply doesn't work. Every shack through here that's sandbagged and wrapped up their houses. No matter how hard they've tried, they're all just as wet on the inside as it is on the outside. So that's why we didn't do it.
Are you guys ready to see? We have not looked yet. We're about to hit the shack and you're going to see it at the same time we are.
We can already see the whole front yard is just literally underwater.
All right, here we go. Yeah, so it's come through our front fence. Didn't spread our dirt pile of gravel though, unfortunately. Ooh. Yeah, wow. Why does our water stink?
Welcome to this episode of Water House.
Oh shit. My firewood stayed alright in the bin. Oh, look at the shed.
Put a hole in the shed. Wow.
I feel like this is deeper than I was expecting.
Yeah, this is way deeper than I was expecting.
Oh, look how much between the shed roof and the water. Oh, there's a hole in our shed.
I'm worried to see what's inside.
I'm sinking.
We stored a lot of things in the shed and we lifted up quite high, but I don't think we lifted up high enough.
No. Ew, I hope there's not fish that jump out of us.
Jump out at us.
That are trapped inside or something.
No,
Oh my god.
that sucks.
Wow.
It gets cold in here.
Ew.
Ugh.
Why is it so cold?
I don't know, because the sun hasn't hit it.
Oh.
Oh, it's not touched the kitchen.
Are we going to get stuck in here?
No.
No. Ew. This is actually ridiculous.
This sucks. So we actually haven't put a kitchen video in yet, but we actually did install the kitchen, and then we uninstalled the kitchen and then lifted it up, but as you can see it's still got wet.
Just the bottoms. Just enough to ruin it.
Not too moldy or anything yet, luckily.
Yet.
Alright, so we're open for bookings anyway, so if you want to jump onto the Airbnb app, you can book a night stay here. We're putting discounts on as of right now, so you get yourself a bargain.
Or we need help.
Yeah, who
We're
wants
going to
to come
have to...
help?
Any carpenters? Any builders?
Yeah, Ben, we need you.
Yeah, come back then. This is pretty crazy. But what do you do? Hopefully our insurance will help us out a bit. Yes, that will be soon to find out. The water is like black, brown. Hopefully we didn't let any fish in when we come in because they're gonna get stuck in here.
Oh, who left the toilet seat up? Alright, Olivia's just been touched by something floating. It was probably nothing. She's just freaking out.
Oh, yuck.
Alright, so we came, we saw, we're disappointed. Yeah, this sucks.
Not many people can say they have a shack full of water. Oh, unless it's...
Actually, heaps of people can say that right now.
Yeah,
Half the
unless anyone
country
else
can
on the
say
boat.
that. Yeah, unfortunately, so much of the hard work we've done is
just ruined.
ruined. The feature wall screwed. All the walls, they're all lifting, they're all warped. I think there's going to be very little we can save. Some of the walls are actually still cement sheeting, so they will probably be alright, but a lot of the walls are gyprock and timber. As I said, the kitchen was lifted up, but that still got wet anyway. Yeah, obviously all the plaster on the walls is obviously knackered as well. Yeah, as you can see, we're about, well,
waist deep.
yeah, just under waist height. So I would guess probably 700 mil high with water. This is another feature that you guys wouldn't have seen on the channel yet, where she put some big stacker doors in. But before we left, I put some old fly screens that were here on the site against the front to let sort of the water in and out, but not hopefully let all the debris and logs and stuff. And so far there isn't much in the house, so
yeah,
if we had left it wide open, we would have a lot more floating around the side. But yeah, we're pretty bummed, but oh well, we're still lucky that we have a shack that we get to fix again.
Yeah.
Yeah, job for another day. But as for now, let's get back outside and check out the deck. So much warmer out here. The water's stone cold in there. It's eerie.
Yeah, wow. Like degrees of difference.
I'm hoping the deck isn't too ruined, because the deck actually feels alright.
Oh, the door.
Yeah, it needs a bit of a heave. Alright, so currently on the deck, I'm feeling for warpageness, which is probably going to happen maybe as it dries, but at the moment it still feels pretty good. We only used pine, so yeah. Anyway, river views. Was that a carp?
No, I just threw a stick.
Oh.
Don't get too excited.
The couch isn't wet.
How can you tell?
Because I can see it through the hole in the wall.
Oh, I'm scared to go look in the shed. A lot of our stuff we put in the shed to keep safe and up higher, I guess, get it out of the house. This water is freezing. So we're gonna go have a look in the shed and see what's happening. Maybe if we can get inside. Oh yeah, the door's so shit.
A lot of things floating. Fuck. Oh, the wall's gone.
Oh.
Back wall is gone.
We didn't even need to open the door. Oh wow. This is our shed. It was a shed.
More than a shed.
But look at our couch. It survived. Our furniture.
Yeah, awesome. The things that we can replace survive. But now we have to build the shed again. For fuck's sake.
Oh, is that the pump?
The fridge is fucked. Oh, yeah. Drop saw, maybe. Alright, calm down. It's alright. It's okay. It's something. Something's floated out. It's alright. I'm doing it. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
This is really scary.
Fucking Christ. Alright, let's go before we. It's alright. Calm down. Something's just floating out of the shed. It's alright.
Are you sure?
Yes. What could it be?
Something soft. It's so gross.
Like one of the blankets or something.
Oh yeah.
It did feel pretty soft.
Oh yeah, freaky, didn't it?
That sucks.
Yeah, I'm more annoyed if the shed got the most damage. Everyone, that is how the shack is right
The
now.
grand tour.
That's yeah.
Fucking driver's gonna be just mud, man.
Smush. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but what do you do?
We're accepting donations as of right now.
Look at the road, perfectly dry.